Have you ever felt like you weren't making any progress? Like no matter how hard you worked, you were standing still? I felt that today. I started questioning everything. The channel, my purpose, whether I was even helping anyone. Then I asked myself a question. What would I tell one of my viewers if they came to me and said they was feeling the same way? And I thought about it. I'd tell them, today I want you to look back and see how far you've come. You're exactly where you need to be at this moment. Keep putting in the work, and eventually you'll realize you're so much more than than the box society puts you in. Then it hit me. I wasn't willing to take my own advice. Maybe today, that's exactly what we both need to do. Look back, not to live there, but to remember how far we've already come. One day at a time, one day stronger.